So today, our topic is so today our topic is equation of a straight line. Now, this is one of the basic topic of coordinate geometry, and it is helpful in many subjects, including economics. And we will begin with our the concept of a point. So we know if there is a plane, any plane, and for that matter we are talking about a two-dimensional figure, two-dimensional, and here we have the x-axis and the y-axis, and if you want to locate a point on this xy plane, then the way to do it is by finding its coordinates. Now, when we talk of finding the coordinates of a point, we say, let us say this is 1, 2, and here it is 1, 2, and 3. Now, when we are talking about the perpendicular distance of this point P from the x-axis, please note carefully the per length of the perpendicular from this point P to the x-axis will give us the y coordinate, which is 3 in this case, right? And the distance of this point, okay, the perpendicular distance from this point P from the y-axis gives us the x coordinate. And by writing this coordinate, this is the x coordinate, or we can say the x ordinate, and the y ordinate gives us the way to locate the point. Now, the perpendicular distance from the y-axis to the point, from the y-axis to the point, this, that is the x coordinate, is known as abscissa. So children often get confused. So this is abscissa, and the perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis is known as the ordinate. So abscissa is nothing but the x ordinate, and ordinate is nothing but the y ordinate. Now, using these concept of a point, we can actually find out the equation of. So from this concept of a point, we can actually know the equation of a line. How? Now, when we talk of equation of a line, there are basically three methods by which we can draw equation of a straight line. So let's do the first method first. Number one, when 2 points are being given, 2 points means we know the coordinates of those 2 points. Let us do it using a question. Let's say the question says, find the equation of a line which passes through 2 points A, and A has coordinates this, and B, which has coordinates this. Now, how will you find the equation of this line? There is a simple formula to find out equation of a straight line when 2 points, coordinates of 2 points are given. What is that formula? Y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Now, what is this y1? x1, y1 are coordinates of the first point, and x2, y2 are coordinates of the second point. Now, in our question, this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. Now, y minus y1, y minus 2 is equal to y2 is 8, 8 minus 2 upon x2 is 4, so 4 minus 2, and then in bracket we write x minus x1. So you solve it further. When you will solve it further, you will simply get the equation of a line which is equal to y minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6 upon 2 x minus 2, that is 3. So you will get y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 6. So you solve it further to get 3x minus y. You take y that side and get it here is equal to 4. So this is our equation of a straight line. Now this was the method when coordinates of 2 points are given to us. Now we will do the second method. Now in this second method, a very important concept will come, which is known as slope of a line. Means what is the bend of that line? How much is that line bending? Okay, if we know the slope of that line, all right, and along with that slope, we also know the gradient of that line. Along with the slope, we also know the intercept. Okay, if we know the slope and if we know the intercept, and we already know that slope and gradient are same. Now if there is a line and we know the slope and the intercept, now what is slope? Slope means what is the bend of that line. See, when we walk on a road, this road does not have any slope. It is a straight road. This road has little bit slope, and look at this road. This road is very steep. So the slope is very high. So slope simply means how much is it elevated? What is the elevation, right? And if we draw this line on our x-axis and y-axis in a graph, and let's say we are talking about this line, okay, and we know the slope of this line. See, slope is very important because again this concept of slope will lead us to differentiation. It will lead us to differentiation. And also slope is very important because it has huge applicability in economics, because economics is all about marginal analysis. Economics is all about marginal analysis, means one additional, how much a particular variable changes when the other variable changes by one additional unit. Okay, so slope, we will do that, how slope is basically delta y upon delta x. So we are coming to that. So if this is the x-axis and that is the y-axis, then, and we know the slope, let us say the slope is given by m, okay, and we know the intercept. Now when we talk of the term intercept, intercept is of two types. One is the x-intercept and the other is the y-intercept. Other is the y-intercept. So what exactly does that mean? It means when we will extend that line like that, okay, then this particular line is cutting the x-axis at which point and the y-axis at which point. Let us say it is cutting the x-axis at 1 and the y-axis at minus 2. Then this line will have x-intercept as 1 and y-intercept as minus 2. So when we are talking about equation of a straight line, then equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. Okay, and this is equation of a straight line, and this is known as slope intercept form of the equation of a straight line. This is known as slope intercept form of equation of a straight line. Okay, here c is the, m we already know is the slope. Okay, m is the slope or the gradient, and C is the y-intercept. C is the y-intercept. Now let us do a question. Let us do a question now on this before we finally wind up the lecture. Now, suppose there is a question which says gradient is being given to you and the gradient is 2 upon 3 and C, that is the y-intercept, is also given to you minus 4. Then how will you calculate the equation of a straight line? Y is equal to mx. Now what is m here? 2 upon 3 x minus 4. So this is your equation of a straight line. This is equation of a straight line. You can solve it further to get your answer. Now let us go on to the third method to calculate the equation of a straight line. This third method is known as the method in when the intercepts, means both intercepts are given. What are those intercepts? Intercept x-axis, yani the x-intercept, and the y-intercept. So then the equation of a straight line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, where a and b are the x and the y-intercept respectively. So these are the three methods by which we can actually find out the equation of a straight line. So that's it for today.